Hi guys, welcome to a backtesting workshop. I will be looking at how size of stop losses is influencing the result of total sub-entries in ICT suite. So let's get started. We will start with stop loss margin, stop loss of 2 points. We are looking at ES 15 minutes chart. Backtesting is a very slow process, so it will be quite boring session, but when you do this kind of stuff, you know how to optimize your strategy. So this is ICT suite. There are many options that can be applied. All of the main ICT concepts are included for backtesting. We are looking at 15-minute chart in ES. We have 4 years of data, so it's looking back to 2020, beginning of 2020, somewhere like March, April, I think. Let's see, we have result here. So when we apply the stop loss of 2 points, it gave us 18% win rate. We have 88 trades. And I see there is something wrong here. Probably have to switch off something. Yes. We have a sequential SMT applied. I don't want to have that, so I just switch it off. Let's redo the test. It should be 99 trades for a whole 4 years, so I knew something was wrong. What we see here are PD arrays, symmetric markets, and one setup for life, and then liquidity strip as well. This is what's on the screen, and also some new week opening ups. I see here we have a new week opening up from February 26th. Okay, now we are done. 99 trades, that's correct. So 52,000, it's on 4 contracts, yeah. 99 trades, 21%, and it's an average $543. Let's increase to 3 points stop loss. So ICT suite, I use it for my own trading and investing. So I test strategies, and we have been developing this now for 2 years. I think it's a third generation of a different components. Okay, so 3 points. Stop loss gives 83,000, 99 trades, 31%. And important to notice here is that we take profit at 20 points. So let's increase to 4 points. I spent a lot of time sitting here and backtesting different options and combinations. It takes a lot of time, but you gain a lot of knowledge, yeah, how which components work together, which don't. So the result is ready, 108,000. I take a note here, 99 trades, 39%. Of course, when we increase the stop loss, the win rate will go up. And there is also a sweet spot where if you increase it too much, then the win rate will continue to go up. However, the profit will decrease. So now we have a max drawdown 5,000 and average win per trade is 1,092. Okay, not bad. Let's see if we increase it to 5 points. Five points, 164,000. We lost one trade, 54%. So it gives us a 1 to 4 in risk reward at this stage. Let's move on to 6 points. So currently we were working on a new entry and was turtle soup. That's why I'm backtesting it. The next step will be to connect the PD arrays. You can select all the PD arrays here. We have also included unicorn as well as BPR as part of it. So to be connecting that to that entry. So stop loss of 6, yeah, gives 202,000, so it's improvement. 98 trades again, and 63%. 2,000 per trade. You win average win per trade. 1,063 exactly. Okay. Drawdown 4,600. Seven. ICT was using a stop loss of like 5 points, sometimes 2 points, but usually it pays off to have little bit larger stop loss. So stop loss of 7 gives us 222,000, 98 trades, and 68% of hit rate. We have an increase in max drawdown as well as increase in average trade, win rate for every trade. Let's continue to 8. This is very okay. It's ready. 228,098 trades, 70%, 74.4 exactly. And let's take a look at the trades as well. So 1,600 for each trading loss. So risk reward is decreasing now, yeah. But so we have 2 losses here, 1. So a streak of 3 losses. 3 losses. Yeah, 3 losses is okay. It gets tough when you get like 5, 10 losses in a row, yeah. But 3 losses is okay, especially if you have 1 to 2 here, yeah, almost a little bit more. So you need 2 ins basically to eliminate the streak the strike of 3 losses here. Okay. Let's continue. So we go up to 9 points in stop loss. Yeah, so this is a symmetric market indicator, and as we can see, Nasdaq is going up right now. Yes, as well, with the options that we have applied to this indicator at the moment. Dow Jones has no trend, and Dixie is falling. So we don't have asymmetric markets. We should Dow Jones has to rise so all of them are like going up, and then Dixie is falling. So in that case, we would have a symmetric market. Okay, so stop loss of 9 gives us 220,000. So it's almost the same, 98%, 98 trades, 70.4% in profit factor, and the max drawdown is now 6,000. Stop loss of 10. Liquidity map. This is a liquidity strip. The map is turned off. How it works is that it shows liquidity, resting liquidity. Here we have liquidity for 1 hour. The screen is small, but I usually have it on a big screen. Okay, results are ready here. A stop loss of 10 gives 215, so it's slight decrease. In profit, 98 trade, still 70.4%, and average trade gives $2,193, which means it's small decrease as well. Let's continue to 11. So it looks like, let me maybe write down the results for you if you so what happened to my menu here? Okay, I look at that later. 11, in stop loss gives 209,098 trades over 4 year, 70.4. So it's stable, yeah. So it's stabilized from 8 point stop loss, and it's basically the same, and the profit is dropping a little bit. And the last one to test is 12. So usually ES, if it like runs more than 12 points, then it's a change trend. So there is no meaning to keeping a trade for longer than 12 points. Yeah, so this is the liquidity strip. So here we have 1 hour liquidity resting, 15 minutes above here. This is 1 hour buy side taken, 15 minutes taken. So this is all buy side that was taken. Here we resting liquidity which was taken right now. It's a 15 minute. And here we have sell side taken, yeah, and 15 minutes sell side, 4 hours sell side taken, and I use it for actually seeing which liquidity we are reaching for during a session. Oh, we are done here. Okay, so 12 points gives us 216, so it's small increase here, yeah. 98 trades, 72%, and average trade gives us 2,200. But what happened is that the max drawdown is going up, yeah. When we increase the stop loss, the max drawdown is increasing as well. So it looks like the optimal stop loss for this entry was somewhere between the lowest 6 points, which gave 63%, in money 7, stop loss of 7 gave 222,000 and 68%. Then the highest win rate is 70.4, and we got it on a stop loss of 8. So 7 sounds good to me. What we could do, we could check a little bit the different levels of taking profit. So let's rerun this one. Oh, the symmetric market indicator changed. So ES is dropping, and we can see it here. This is showing the tops and lows. And this is where we currently are in price, yeah, compared to the tops and lows. Highs and lows, maybe, I should say. So 68%, the drawdown is 5,000 here. And let's see what how many losses we get in a row. This is always interesting. Okay, 3 losses in the row. What we could do as well is take profit and take partials, which ICT do very frequently. So if we have a stop loss of 7, so let's take a profit at 7, and we take like 50% of it. So the amount of money this strategy will make will decrease, of course. Tradingview will count. We have more trades as well, because it's counting every closed trade as one trade. And question is what the win rate will be. %71%. So it didn't change much. We lost 25%, so it's not much. Yeah, it's quite good. And usually I like to take partials, because yeah, trading is not easy. Let's see. I want to see the trades. That was strange. So sometimes it's taking. I have some option on which is differentiating between some trades, yeah, depending on where we are in the trade. So some trades don't take partials, some do. I will have to look into that later. Okay. I note that for later investigation. So let's go back to the original. When I do testing, usually don't have partials on, because I get better picture of how the strategy is performing if with win rate everything. Otherwise it gets messy. Yeah? But when I do real trading, I always take partials. Let's see. So yeah, we could temper a little bit with profit. So let's see if we increase to say 25. What does it do for the whole period of 4 years? So it's decreased both in profit and of course percentage of profitable. So it's small decrease, but it's not that bad. Let's see if we take 23 instead. These are sessions, so it's one setup for life. ICT is one setup for life. The active one will get filled in when the session starts. We are still early in the morning, New York time, so we have like a few hours left until market opens. 57%, 995,000. Okay, so that was a little bit better. Let's see 22. There are a lot of options. As you can see, you can show bias, SMT. There are many different options for the SMTs. News, liquidity in different forms. Market symmetry is on. EPTA liquidity. Can look at the EPTA range as well. New week opening up, new day opening up, opening range gap, and so on. And then the different PD arrays. 59, so we increase in win rate. Slightly, so it's not much difference. So let's go to like 18 instead. So it's 6 o'clock in the morning in New York time. So it's not that good. So it looks like 20 is the optimal profit target. So yeah, so then we have liquidity map. It's more detailed, but it's usually in the way, so I turn it off. But when I want to analyze liquidity, then I usually have it on for a while. But this gives me like levels straight away when how market is behaving in the moment. In the strategy you can, okay, 2008, 68%. So it's very close, yeah, to what we had before. So 20, I think 20 is optimal. So we have, you have many, for the strategy, for using it in the strategy itself, we have a lot of options for liquidity. We have different kinds of liquidity as well, equal highs, lows. You can specify how many days and at what times liquidity you would like to look at. We have validated liquidity, and then you have EPTA liquidity as well. And then you can kind of select where you like your liquidity to be resting, how many points away, if you want to have opposing liquidity or not, and so on. Okay, so 222, 98, 68%. I think this would be the best levels for this strategy. But 21, it would give exactly 4 to 1. Or 3 to 1, basically 3 to 1, yeah? 21, it's 3 times 7. It's changing fast, yeah, because if you have 5 as a stop loss, yeah, you go to 4 to 1, to 20. Slightly better, yeah, 63%. 97 trades, we lost 1 trade, 2007 in profit. So basically it will be my optimal stop loss and target for the strategy. So the next step for me will be deploying it and testing how it works in real life. Okay guys, that's it for this backtesting session. You can follow me or ICT Suite and at X, and as well YouTube. We just released that for public eye, so it's not much there yet. But if you would be interested in having this application, if there is enough of interest, we might be releasing a version for public. Okay. Okay, thank you. That's it.